This workshop was created using the SPARK workshop framework by Leanne Hughes. If you haven't read her book, The 2 Hour Workshop Blueprint, I highly recommend that you check it out. We're going to begin our workshop presentation today with a case study of a company called Vital Well Health Coaching. Vital Well Health Coaching is a small business specializing in personalized health and wellness programs. While the company has a dedicated client base, its sales team has struggled with closing deals and maintaining consistent customer engagement. The sales director, Maria Hernandez, has organized a workshop to optimize the sales funnel, enhance customer engagement, and refine closing techniques to boost overall sales performance and client retention. Participant, Participants of the workshop included Maria Hernandez, the sales director, Kevin Turner, the senior sales manager, Laura, James, Isabella, and Sarah, the health coaches, and Rachel Evans, the marketing coordinator. Workshop outcomes. Participants learned and practiced several closing techniques, improving their ability to close deals effectively. They gained confidence in addressing common objections and creating a sense of urgency to encourage prospective clients to commit to health and wellness coaching programs. The team identified key bottlenecks in their sales funnels, such as lead qualification and follow up processes. They developed strategies to streamline these stages, including improving lead scoring methods, personalizing follow up messages, and automating email sequences to nurture leads more regularly. Participants created personalized engagement plans for their clients, focusing on regular and meaningful interactions. They also explored using CRM tools to track client progress and automate follow ups, ensuring that clients felt more supported and valued throughout their health coaching journey. In the short term, Vital Well Health Coaching had a clear understanding of effective closing techniques across the sales team. They made immediate implementation of personalized engagement strategies for current and prospective clients, and initial steps were taken towards optimizing the sales funnel, resulting in a smoother lead conversion process. In the long term, the company experienced increased conversion rates, with more prospective clients committing to health coaching programs. They achieved enhanced customer engagement, leading to a higher client satisfaction rating and retention. And they streamlined their sales funnel processes, reducing lead drop offs and improving overall efficiency. In summary, Vital Well Health Coaching achieved sustainable growth with a robust strategy to adapt to market trends and client needs. Here's what we're hearing from you out in the field. Here's the challenges that we have with sales funnels. Number one, sales funnels challenges include lead generation problems, conversion rate issues, and technology integration difficulties. Challenge number two, client engagement, sustaining motivation, co- content creation, and personalization. And then number three, closing techniques, problems with handling objections, having confidence in pricing, and follow up strategies.